Animal-inspired power yoga flow with me, Coach Vigue, my friends. Definitely a more challenging flow. No weights or machines, so modify as needed. Always use control. Watch it first and then dive into it. Let's begin in a down dog squat. Pressing back, fingers are open wide. Rounding forward, lifting the right leg up. Working with precision and flow. Step the right foot forward. Lunge, stretch that knee forward. Step back, down dog squat. Forward, left leg up, rounding the back, left foot forward, lunge, working within the poses, step back, down dog squat. Work it out, right leg up, rounding, right foot forward, lunge, little twisting, step back, down dog squat. Left leg up, bring it forward, left foot into that lunge, working the legs, working the precision. Shake it out, down dog squat, feet a little wider, right leg coming up, forward, add the twist, left hand down, right arm up, down dog squat. Repeating on the other side, left leg tall, left foot forward, open up the left arm, right hand down into the lunge twist, stepping back, squat, low, right leg up, feeling good, there's the twist, eyes up to that top hand, down dog squat, left leg up and forward, twisting, opening up and exploding the core. Squat, down dog. Rounding forward, ripple, ripple, moving back and forth, electrifying the spine. Drop the hips down, up dog with the toes tucked, shoulders back. Moving within the up dog. Taking it back into down dog and squat. Right leg up, round that spine, right foot forward, again, twist. Hands down, stepping back, down dog squat. Let's work it on the other side. Left leg up, rounding forward into that lunge with the left foot forward, add the twist. And back, working within the poses. Down dog squat, right leg up, rounding, and the twist, the lunge twist, hands down, stepping back. Repetition is key. Left leg up, rounding forward. Get so good with that flow. Practice it. Left arm up, right hand down. Let it all go and bring the forearms down. We have dolphin pose. Movements in the legs. Palms are flat. Stepping side to side, the dolphin dance. Usually do this in down dog, but we're doing it in dolphin. Kind of qualifies as an animal. Stepping that foot back, limbering up the spine, electrifying. There's that word again, electrifying the shoulders. Back and forth, back and forth. Practice it. Get fluid. Pop the hands up, downward facing dog. Rounding forward again, the ripple. Drop the hips down and lower all the way down to your stomach. Reach the arms back. Lace the fingers in a mudra. Draw the shoulders back. A mudra cobra. Hands down, pressing up and back. Down dog. Right leg lifts tall into the scorpion and drop that foot back into a pole, into a version of wild thing. Bring the leg up and down. Left leg comes up, open, drop the foot down and pull back. Practice this one. Watch me do this a bunch of times. Practice it in front of a mirror. Get smooth with it. Other side, dropping down, pull. Very light on the feet. Left leg up, drop it down. Feel that stretch. Again, right leg. Scorpion, dropping into that wild thing variation. Pull the arms back, leg up, switch. Pull. How does that feel? Feel that total movement back and forth. Right leg up, drop it down, pull back. Feels good, right leg up and forward into lunge. Arms up, cactus arms. Pull the arms back and down. Shoulders are relaxed, keep them down, hands down. Switch, jump switch in the lunge. And then the left leg comes up, drop it back, pull. Forward and lunge. Find the balance, arms up, pull the arms back. Working the lunge, working your posture. Jump switch. Good, feeling good. Right leg up, drop it back, scorpion. Wild Thing. Fall in love with this movement. Right leg up, forward lunge. Arms up, cactus. Open the chest. Hands down, jump switch. Left leg up, scorpion, drop down. Keep repeating. Wash and rinse. Rinse and wash and repeat. Left foot forward, lunge. Cactus arms, flooding the body with the breath. Hands down, stepping back. Down dog squat, rounding forward. Massage that spine, drop the hips down, shoulders back, squeeze the glutes, and then lower all the way down. Reaching back, bind the fingers. Mudra cobra, bend the legs. If you like, reach back, grab the feet or ankles in a variation. We have bow into Superman. You can inhale forward and then exhale back, grab the feet or the ankles, press the feet up, open the chest. Superman, bow, and press up and back. Downward facing dog. Shake out the arms and legs, drop the forearms down. And again, the dolphin dance, stepping that foot behind the other. Side to side. So much happening. God bless you for staying with me. It's very hard to get all this in because the movement never stops. But practice it, watch it, and it will happen, and it will be majestic. Stepping side to side. Bring the forearms further forward to deepen that stretch. Back to dolphin, pop up into down dog, bend the knees, jump forward, knees down, and we're sitting on the heels. Draw the arms back, open the chest. After all that inversion action, keep it open. Flick that ant off the mat, and we come into a side lunge. Beautiful, rocking side to side. Hands down. You can also bring the hands together in a prayer position. Back and forth, opening the hips, turning the upper body slightly towards the lengthened leg. There we are, taking the hands off the mat. A lot of trust there, a lot of practice, a lot of balance and control. Inhale to the center, exhale to the side, massaging the feet, the balls of the feet. Arms up, a little bit of a fist to cuff stance there. Man, I felt amazing doing this. The more I do it, the more I want to do it, the more my body wants to do it. Good, into that side lunge and step back, down dog squat. And a kick through. There we go. Stepping the left foot out, right foot comes through, step back again, down dog squat, right foot forward, kick the left foot through. Again, watch this, practice it first before you plug it in. Left foot out, right foot kicks through. Down dog squat, smooth from side to side, building great agility and power in our movements. Step to the outside, kick it through, pull that arm back. Add such nice nuance. Downward facing dog. Bend the knees, down dog squat. Back and forth. We inhale, bend, and then rounding forward and back. Bend the knees, lengthen, round forward. Press back into those heels. Bend, stretch, round. Feeling strong. Bend, lengthen, heels down, rounding forward. Tuck the chin. Excellent. Again, bend those knees. Stretch behind the knees and open up the back. All the way, drop the knees down, hands under the shoulders, or lift the knees off into an up dog. Knees up or down, draw the shoulders back, squeeze the glutes, powerful arms, powerful shoulders and triceps. Press back, child's pose, and thread that left arm through, and the right arm comes to the back. So I'm bending that threading arm this time. Little nuance, come to the center, reach through. We had this big twist, this big thread, and taking weight off the wrists and the hands for a moment. Inhale, center, thread it through. Nice variation like this. Bending that arm can bring out a lot more in the twist, something we're not used to. Challenging the body in a slightly different way can yield a lot of potential, a lot of benefit. Back to the center, fixing the cap. Come forward, downward facing dog, bend the knees, and kick throughs again. This time going side to side. A speed through, a speed kick without stepping back into the down dog. Kicking through, stepping the foot to the outside. Very nice. Light on the feet, very ninja-like, very animal-like. And right leg up. Bring it forward, pigeon. Lifting tall, lower down, stepping back, left leg up, scorpion, and then pigeon. Animal flow. Mirroring animals, mirroring movements, constant flow, right leg up, pigeon, lower down, stepping back, left leg open, pigeon, sliding the back leg further behind you, and right leg forward. Now this, you can keep doing what you were doing or do a jump switch in the pigeon, or go back to the down dog and keep switching sides. Jump switch. Not for the faint of heart, but give a big push into your hands, lifting your body off the mat as you switch those legs with a mighty breath. A pigeon wishes it could do this. Oh, you better believe that. Jump switch. Great hip opener, opening the glute, the lower back, the hip flexors, getting pliability in the upper body, especially the core as we lift tall. Now, bring the forearms down for a second, press up and back, downward facing dog. I don't know why I brought the forearms down, but here we are, rounding forward, ripple, ripple. Drop those hips down, shoulders back, open the chest, squeezing out all that crud into the hover, lower all the way down to the mat. Bind the fingers together, mudra, or reach back into the bow. And again, bow to Superman. Inhale forward, exhale back, putting a lot of emphasis, of course, on the lower back, the back muscles, and a big hunk of shoulder mobility and flexibility. Inhale forward, exhale back, lifting up. We're in the business of elevating here, my friends, elevating everything. Superman pose, reaching forward, pull the arms back, hands on the shoulders, press back, down dog. Take the hands further forward, a longer down dog, and we're going to walk the legs. Add the rotation, one of my favorites, taking the dog for a walk, adding in dynamic flexibility, dynamic movement to the legs. Okay, right leg up, right foot forward, and lunge position, shoulders back and down. Into a warrior three, and then a standing splits. And then step back to lunge. That first one is always a little matrixy. A lot of balance here. It's the reversal. Jump switch, arms up, and warrior three into the dive. This is standing splits. I call it the dive as well. Arms up, cactus arms, jump switch. Arms up. Lifting up and down, lifting that back leg, step back, balance, focus, cactus arms, jump switch, lunge, cactus arms forward, dive, right leg up, step back. Excellent. Jump switch. Integrity by repetition. Getting it right in there. There's the standing splits, the dive, step back, stagger the feet. There we are, arms up. Cleanse the palate, cactus arms, hands down, jump, switch. Arms up, cactus arms, dive. The leg gets a little bit higher each time, that back leg, that's good. We're loosening up the hip flexors. Arms up, cactus. Push the pocket in, hands down, jump, switch. Makes me want to sandwich, arms up, cactus arms. Dive. Feeling better, feeling more comfortable with your body, with your movements. Arms up, cactus arms. Step back, down dog, squat. Rounding forward, right leg up into the lunge. Take the arm all the way up and back. Mighty chest opening into the split, into that twist. Left leg up, rounding forward. Lunge, left arm back. Little pulsing action in there. Down dog squat. Right leg rounding forward And sweeping the arm back. Openness in the chest. Down dog squat. Left leg up. Rounding, rounding. You know what it is, my friends. Lunge. Sweep the arm through. Opening up your breath, your respiratory potential. And rounding forward. Dropping down. Up dog. With the toes tucked. Lower down. Press back, child's pose. Make little fists and rock side to side. I'm going to work in a twist here, which feels amazing. So side to side, knees as wide as you like. And now I start to open the twist. You're lengthening the spine as you rotate it. Opening the hips, the knees are wide. Giving the back a nice massage. Side to side rotation. Drop the arm down. Put the weight into your shoulder, into your arm. Now press up. Fix the cap, fix the blouse. Sitting on the heels, lace the fingers, mudra. Working within that pose, rocking side to side, massage the quads and the hip flexors. Shoulders down, jaw is loose, breath is flowing. Little ripples, sending those shoulders crashing back behind you. All right, coming to the front, we have a garland squat, a catcher's squat. You can also place the forearms on the thighs or the hands. Toes are on a diagonal, and we're rocking side to side. Use the elbows to open the hips. You can get lost in this one. It's so good for relieving tension in your lower back, opening up the hips, stretching the knees, the ligaments, the tendons. Keep your upper body tall and let your tailbone sink down towards the mat. And breathe. Still here. Still here. Pressing up. Wide-legged forward fold. Diving down. Arms out to the sides. Palms flat if you're able. Or reach the arms through the legs. It's a process. Let that spine decompress. Rocking the weight into the tips of your toes. The front of your toes. Side to side. Be very good to your spine. To all those big, mighty muscles of the spine. And now a twist. Hand down, other arm comes up, embracing the lower back. Take the hand further across as you become more limber in this twist. Your body adapts, it improves, it gets better with every second of the flow. And once again, garland squat. Revisit it. Work from where you left off, improving it. A little side to side rocking. That's definitely a functional maneuver. Seldom do we freeze something throughout our day. We're always moving. So take a pose and add movement to it, dynamic flow to it. Two more breaths. Just enjoying myself out here in Vets Park. It's a gorgeous day. And awesome, my friends. Thanks for training with me. You want more animal-inspired flows like this? Please let me know in the comments below. It is always a pleasure to train with you. God bless you. We'll see you next time.